Life is full of interesting questions.
Who's going to let the dog sitter in while we're gone? Are the kids home from school on time?
How do I keep my delivery safe?
What time did you get home last night, son?
And of course,
did I close the garage door?
fortunately, you have the answers in the palm of your hand. Aladdin Connect from Genie. So you can make sure the door is closed and know instantly if someone opens it, know who's coming and going and when. Open it remotely for sitters or relatives. From most iOS or Android devices, anywhere. Even see a history of door operation, including dates and times, and so much more. That's real convenience and peace of mind. With advanced time-based features, you can even create virtual keys that expire whenever you choose, so service workers or friends can enter on their own without compromising security. Aladdin Connect really does give having a Genie in your garage a whole new meaning. Aladdin Connect. Smarter, safer, more convenient for your busy life.